Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. I'm Steve the Barman, and in the next few videos, I'm going to be kind of dedicating it towards dry January. You've probably all had a boozy 2020, to be fair, but you've probably had a boozy 2020. I know a lot of people do look to do dry January, but hopefully I'm going to try and make dry January a bit more fun for you if you are abstaining from alcohol. In the Drinkstuff videos, I'm going to be showcasing cocktails, mocktails, virgin cocktails, whatever you want to call them, using this brand, Stryyk. I'm also going to be rocking out some syrups and things like that you could use. I'm going to keep these videos, after this introductory video, I'm going to try and keep these videos nice and short and sweet, just focus on the cocktail recipes. But Stryyk, go and check out, I will link it below in the description, so go and check it out. I've done a review of what these are. Basically we've got gin, I think it's right around gin, rum and a vodka, not boozy. Okay, so I'm going to be using those in these cocktails. In this video, I'm going to start off with, because we've probably all got some sort of Satsumas, some easy peelers, tangerines, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to start off with the Stryyk Not Rum. So I'm going to be showing you my kind of easy peeler mojito, which is absolutely amazing. So let's just put that to one side. It's going to get made up in a tall highball glass. And I've already peeled my easy peeler. There we go. So I've got plenty of this. I do love kind of tangerines and satsumas this time of year, especially if you're in the UK and you get farm shop ones, because they're even better. Right. Now, depending on the size of your orange, your tangerine, your whatever you're going for, Satsuma, I reckon, sod it, for a little one like this, I reckon you get away with the whole tangerine in there. Maybe one for me. Right, now the sugar I'm going to use for this is actually brown sugar, ODK's brown sugar. Feel free to make it yourselves at home. It's just, or demerara sugar, whatever you want to use. But I'm just going to use ODK's brown sugar. I'm just going 15 ml, 1.5 in there. All right, so that's kind of as we normally go. So I'm actually going to use, for my limes, I'm actually going to use that. I'm not going to use a fresh lime in here. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple for you. So I'm going to use lime juice. So I don't need to muddle the limes. What I do need to do is get the juice out of the satsumas or tangerines, whatever you've got to do. So gently push down and twist. Puree that down. You know, absolutely amazing. There we go. Get all that juice out of them. Right, amazing. I'm being quite careful because it's a delicate glass. It's not like my normal robust mojito glasses that I use. Right, now I'm just going to go kind of traditional mojito sort of style with this. So here we go. This is ODK's lime juice, fresh lime juice, 99.999999% lime juice. There's just a tiny bit of antioxidant in there that the wine industry uses to keep it nice and fresh. Once opened, it'll keep for 30 days. You cannot juice limes for the same price as you can buy that, so cheap as chips. Link below in the description. Also all the recipes are below as well. And I'm just going 15 ml of there. Normally I'll kind of do 25 ml, but as we've got no alcohol, I'm going 15 ml of that. Now the Stryyk Not Rum, I'm not going to talk about it too much. Go and check out the other video, but it is really, really good for a non-alcoholic spirit. So I'm going 50 ml, double bubble of that in there. And then to keep it all traditional, I'm just going to go for some soda water. I think I've got some in here. You could use ginger ale. I've just been using that in another video. You could go kind of the dry ginger ale if you wanted to. You could go lemonade if you really fancy. You know, there's nothing right or wrong. Have a little play. There's lots of little different flavoured soda waters on the market. So be my guest. I'm just going 25 ml for the bum and 50 ml for the actual cocktail. And it's all going to pot, innit? I've lost my cap. Where's my cap? I don't know where the cap is. It's all going to pot. Probably in the glass, knowing me. I don't know. You're all watching this thinking, there it is, there it is. Anyway, I'm just going to... Forgot my mint, didn't I? Right, I've pre-picked this. I've got about 10 to 12 mint leaves. Palm my hand, give them a spank. We don't put the mint in there with the muddling because we don't want the bitterness out of the mint leaves. We just want those nice, delicate, fresh aromas. So palm my hand, give it a spank and just pop those in. Right, ice. I've got some crushed ice here. If you haven't got crushed ice, don't worry too much, but I've always got crushed ice to hand. So I'm just going to sort of start that off with crushed ice. Now I'm just going to give it a churn, bring the sort of Satsumas, tangerines and the mint to the top, give it a good stir. There we go. Absolutely amazing. Oh, that's so good. Oh, actually, just going to top out with cubed ice. There we go. A couple of bits of cubed ice. There we go. There's another one there. Amazing. There we go. That'll do. Then to garnish, I've got one, kept one to one side, sprig of mint. And then if you want to peel down that, but I've just got an orange here as well, just to kind of garnish. So that is my kind of easy peeler mojito. Let me know what you think of that. That's using Stryyk Not Rum. Make sure you subscribe and like and stay tuned, because I'm going to be rocking out more of the not rum, the not gin, the not vodka, loads of recipes for you. So I'll see you in the next video.